In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix VLAN configuration on Windows 11. Whether you're setting up a home office or managing a larger network, ensuring proper VLAN configuration can help organize and secure your network traffic effectively. So, let's dive in. First, we need to verify whether your network adapter supports VLAN tagging. This is an essential step because not all network adapters are capable of handling VLANs. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the X key on your keyboard simultaneously. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Device Manager. Once you're in the Device Manager, look for the section labeled Network Adapters and click on it to expand the list of adapters installed on your system. Take a moment to note the model of your network adapter. This information is crucial as you will need to consult the manufacturer's documentation for your specific adapter model to confirm that it indeed supports VLAN tagging. You can typically find this documentation online on the manufacturer's website or through the help resources that may have come with your system. Next, let's delve into the VLAN settings in your adapter properties. Open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you have the control panel open, navigate to Network and Internet and then to Network Connections. Here, you'll see a list of network connections available on your computer. Identify the network adapter you are using and right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. In the Properties window, you're going to click on the Configure button, which will open another set of properties for your adapter. Go to the Advanced tab within this configuration window. Now this is where you'll either set or confirm your VLAN settings. Depending on your adapter, you might spot a few different VLAN-related settings here, such as VLAN ID, Priority in VLAN, or VLAN tagging. Each of these options allows you to configure various aspects of VLAN operation. If your goal is to join a particular VLAN, you may need to configure the VLAN ID specifically. It's important to enter the correct VLAN ID that corresponds to the network segment or priority scheme you want your traffic to go through. Sometimes these settings might already be in place, especially if configured by an IT department, but if you're needing to set them manually, ensure you input the correct numbers that match your VLAN configuration plan. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully configure VLANs on your Windows 11 machine. It's always a good idea to check over your network settings once completed to ensure everything is working smoothly. Remember, having a properly configured network can significantly enhance your network performance and security, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.